Cool. Hello, mathematicians. Today we will be looking at subtracting money using mental math. So for our assignment today, we are going to look in our textbook at page 54 and 55 and do a little practice with subtracting with mental math. So let's take a look at page 54. It says subtracting money. Nicole has $8.75. She buys a jumping rope for $3.50. How much money does she have left? All right, and there we can see her $8 and her 75 cents. So we've got some dimes and a nickel here. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 75. So there's her $8.75. And so what we can do, if she bought a jump rope for $3.50, what we can do down here is we can first subtract the dollars. So we know she had $8 and the jump rope cost $3.50. So we can take away $3. So here we've got our $8. Take away 1, 2, 3, and kind of block those out. And then we have $1, 2, 3, 4, $5 left. So we've subtracted the dollars. We have $5, and now we can subtract the cents. So she had $8.75. So that's where they have, here's our 75 cents. And we're going to subtract 50 cents because the jump rope cost $3.50. So here we have our 75 cents. And we are taking away or subtracting 50 cents. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. So if we cross off 50 cents, then we can see what we have left. 10, 20, 25. So we have 25 cents. So again, we subtracted the dollars. We had $5. We're subtracting the cents. We have 25 cents. So $8.75 minus $3.50 is $5.25. So Nicole had $5.25 left. Let's practice a few of these. So on the next page for our work for today, I have asked you to try to solve questions 1 and 2 and 3. So let's take a look at a couple of these together. The first one we have, it says find the value of $8.15 minus $3. All right, so we've got $8.15 minus $3. All right, so let's use our mental math strategy. We are going to first subtract the dollars. And we know 8 minus 3 is 5. Oh, put my dollar sign here. And we are not subtracting any cents, because that's the next step, is to subtract the cents. But there aren't any cents, so we can keep our 15 cents. So the answer to that one is $5.15. Okay, not too tricky. Why don't we bump down to this one? So it's a little more interesting. 60 cents minus 15 cents. All right, so let's try that one. If we have, whoops, I'm going to put it in dollar signs. I like to do dollar signs for my cents here. So we have 60 cents minus 15 cents. All right. And when we're doing this one, we can subtract the dollars. Oh, but there aren't any dollars, so we don't need to do that. Then we can just subtract the cents. So here we're doing 60 cents minus 15 cents. Hi, sweetie. But it might help us to think about 15 cents as 10 cents and 5 cents. And that way, we can think about 60 cents minus 10 cents is 50 cents, minus 5 more cents is 45 cents. So the answer to this one would be 45 cents. Hey, Henrik, sweetie, could you get me a Kleenex so I can wipe off my whiteboard? Oh, I'm sorry you got hurt. I'm making a math video here. Okay, so can you get me a Kleenex, please? Can you get me a Kleenex, please? Okay, so Henrik wants to say hi. Ooh, you look a little bit weird. It's really bright. Okay, can you please get me a Kleenex?
Sure.
Thanks, honey. Okay, so that is one example where we didn't have any dollars, but we can subtract the cents. But I like to kind of break it apart into our number bond as 10 cents and 5 cents. And then again, we know 60 cents minus 10 cents would be 50. And then subtract another 5 cents, and that would be 45 cents. Let's try a couple more. As soon as I get my assistant to give me a little Kleenex, I don't have my black socks anymore.
Well, there is no Kleenex.
Oh, no Kleenexes. Okay. So maybe Miss Taylor can quickly get a little tissue for us. All right, I got one. Thank you for your patience. Alrighty, so the next one I wanted to try, let's see, we'll look at this example here. So for number 2, they are showing us when we have a dollar amount and we're subtracting some cents. And if we don't have any dollars over here, we can think of this first one, which is like our whole number. Remember, when we subtract, we start with the whole number. And we can kind of break apart our whole number into the 2 parts. And then we can think about subtracting 40 cents just from $1 instead of from $3. So why don't we try that over here? Okay, so they're giving us this example here. So if we have $3 minus 40 cents, and we are trying to figure out, how can we subtract 40 cents from $3? Well, a strategy that they are showing us that we can do is we can think of $3 as $2 and $1. So those are 2 of the parts that make up $3. And then we can subtract 40 cents from $1. And we know $1 is the same as 100 cents. So we could think about, well, 100 minus 40 is 60. Or we could think about 40 plus 60 makes 100. So here we would have 60 cents, or we can write it as 60 cents. And then we still have our $2 here. So we have our $2, and then we subtracted $1 minus 40 cents is 60 cents. So our answer is $2.60. All right, let's try another. What about if we had, why don't we try, here's a good one. We'll try one more. It says $6 minus 45 cents. All right. Now, you can definitely use mental math here. If you can, in your mind, you can split this apart and you can think of it as, we know our answer is going to be $5 and something, because we can think of our $6 as $5 and $1. And again, we know $1 is the same as 100 cents. And so then we can think about, well, this is really what we have to work on, is subtracting 100 cents minus 45 cents. We're going to keep our $5 because nothing's going to change about that one. So we can think about 100 minus 45, or we can think about 45 plus what gets us up to 100. So sometimes I like to think about, well, I know 45 plus 5 gets me up to 50 cents. And then I know I'm going to need 50 more cents to get up to 100. So $1 minus 45 cents is 55 cents. And then we can bring our $5 back over here. So $5.55. All right, so again, we're kind of thinking about using our mental math strategies, but we can also write it down if it helps us this way. You can definitely do that. And then your homework for today is page 81 in your workbook, and page 82 is optional. All right, please let me know if you have any questions, and I hope this little video helped. Have a great day, mathematicians.